All right, I'm gonna install the metal panel and then also the cigarette lighter little drawer. So I've got you get the panel, okay, and then you get the bracket for the little cigarette lighter, the cigarette drawer, and we got, see here, we got, and then also there is this plastic support bracket which goes up here, so we'll do that first. So we've got that one that has 3 screws, and we've got a screw here, 2, 3. So we'll get that installed first. Okay, there you go. And if you're curious on which way it goes, there are some, this is the original, so there are some ribs on it, so the ribs go face out, because otherwise it doesn't create a lip. Okay, you get that little lip here for that panel to catch on. And then next we'll install the ashtray support. So that slides up. So there's 3 screws that hold it on. Okay, there's one here, and then one here, and here. This one here screws up into the dash. Okay, right here. Oh. Basically, just take this. Okay, face like that. Bring it up. And just slide that sucker right up in here. I need a 2-hander. There you go. It's just hard to get, there's a lip on the inside here. Okay, you have to snap that in. That's if your stereo is in. So you just kind of push it in. All right, and then so we'll get that one screw in. And it should, this is what I had. All right, we'll get that in. All right, there we go. So now once that's in, and then we'll get a panel on. So again, there's an edge that just sits on, like that. Okay, and then down below there are 4 screws. Okay, the bottom corner ones, there's a bottom one here, corner, and the bottom one that goes in the dash, and then there's 2 here. There's one here and one here, and that go into the feet of the ashtray support. All right, so here's the 4. Okay, the light, 4 screws. Okay, and then so they go through the feet of the ashtray support, as you can see them there. All right, and then the ashtray. Hopefully it lines up right. There we go. Okay. And then our stereo knobs. Stereo knobs on there. All right. So I think these are the originals. They look like it. Maybe I should take some pictures of them. So anyway, so there's 2 different kinds. This one is the volume and the power knob, and that goes on the left side. And this one here is changing the station, and that goes on the right side. And then we got the 2 knobs. Doesn't matter which is which. All right. So that's it. Sorry for the light, guys. It's just terrible lighting in here, and this sucks for videos. But anyway, that's it. So my ashtray does not have a light on it. I know sometimes in some deluxe packages in the Camaros have lights on them, but mine does not. And that's it.